How to use Peacock TV. Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I show you how to use Peacock TV, NBC Universal streaming service. Peacock offers a fantastic selection of movies, TV shows, live sports, and original content all in one place. So whether you're a new user or looking to explore more features, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. So go to the Peacock TV website or download the app on your device. Click sign up and follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password. There are free and premium subscription options, so choose what works best for you. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen featuring various categories like trending, recommended for you, TV shows and movies. The layout is user-friendly, so making it easy to navigate. You can scroll through the content or use the search bar at the top to find specific shows or movies. Peacock TV also offers live TV channels to access live programming. Click on the Live TV tab in the menu and here you can browse through different channels, including news, sports, and entertainment. Just select the channel to start with watching live broadcasts. If you found something you'd like to watch later, you can easily add it to your watch list. Just hover over the title and click on the plus icon or add to watch list. You can find your watch list in the My Stuff section for quick access to your saved content. And lastly, let's look at how to adjust your settings. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner to access settings like parental controls, notifications, and account management. And this is also where you can log out or change your subscription plan. And that's it. Now you know how to use Peacock TV to enjoy all your favorite TV shows and movies. Whether you're watching live sports or catching up on the latest series, Peacock has something for everyone. Thanks for watching.